and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up budget alerts in PocketGuard. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set up budget alerts in PocketGuard, you need to simply go to the PocketGuard. So once you're in the PocketGuard, you need to simply get logged in or connect your bank accounts to it. Once you have done this as well, you can simply go to the plan section. You can go there and you can find the way to organize and customize your budget. After this, you can create and simply rename or organize different spending categories for variable expenses. You can also set spending limits and monitor your spending to make wise budgeting decisions. The app will automatically alert you as you approach or exceed your spending limit for a specific budget category, helping you to stay within your budget. So this is how you set up budget alerts in PocketGuard. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.